Hello, everyone. If there's one thing I've learned over the years, it's this. I love to talk. Um, Contrary to popular belief, I'm not as quiet as I tend to show in public. And yeah, once I get ranting, I can rant with the best of them. So this is part two of reading eggs. I did not want to end on that note. First of all, cut me off, how rude. Secondly, I want to make sure you understand exactly how great these books are and what these quizzes look like. Now, the one thing I noticed when re-watching the video is you could not hear the read to me feature. I don't know why that is, but trust me, it was reading every one of these words in correct context with great inflection, using the proper punctuation and commas, all the things you would want your young readers to learn. But now we get to the book quiz. Okay, so I'm going to hit
to roar.
Okay, it said who liked to roar. Now, was it Ellie, Luna, Brock, or Trio? Now, truth be told, we didn't read the book. We were in a hurry. But
Trio laughed.
here's the beauty of it. I can move this out of my way, and I can find out who liked to roar. Going back in the story. It says Trio was a noisy dinosaur. He liked to roar. I'm going to choose Trio. Yay! Next question. Did Ellie like noisy dinosaurs? I see right there, second sentence. Ellie did not like noisy dinosaurs. So no, she did not. How did she escape the noise? In reading this page or rereading, as you will tell your young readers, you find out that she dived into the water. So that was how she escaped. Probably make sure you can swim before you do that. Just an FYI, fun fact. What did Luna do? Yeah, Luna didn't like the noisy dinosaurs. So she just said, yeah, I'm out of here. I'm going to fly away. Kind of like the Lenny Kravitz song. I want to get away. I digress. Who was with River? It was River and Pebble. Okay. Again, you can move this wherever you want it to be, so it's out of the way. You can keep moving it around, this, that, and the other. Now, I'm going to pass this test just because I'm feeling very smart today. The only reason I'm pausing is it's reading to me, and I'm hoping you hear that. It says River and Pebble climbed into the trees, so I'm going to put they climbed. Again, looking for those keywords, those context clues. Who ate more leaves? I'm going to get this one wrong. I know and you know that Brock ate more leaves, but I'm going to say Luna did. Watch what it does. Oh, it goes, ba-dum. I don't know if you heard that, but it also shows up in pink, signifying that we got it incorrect. Roared back at Trio. Roared back at Trio. He roared loudly. It was scary. I'm going to get this one wrong. It said Rex roared back at Trio, and he roared very, very loudly. Next page tells us Trio laughed, and Rex laughed. But I'm going to say there was some pepper in the air, and they sneezed. I'm going to get this one wrong. Bummer. Next time. Trio and Rex roared together. But look, that's not one of my choices. Uh-oh. Now what? Oh, it's Rex and Trio. Okay. They switched it around, making your young reader have to figure that out. That yes, it might not be exactly the way it was printed. Okay, another skill. Now, let's see if I passed, shall we? 8 out of 10 tells me I should have gotten or received an 80%. And I did, and I've passed. That is the score you need to pass. If you did not pass, it will say you do not pass, blah, blah, blah. You could go back and retake it. Reread it first, whatever you choose to do with your young reader. I'm going to choose my reward. Now, if I wanted to, I could retry it and go for that 100%. Nothing wrong with that. And I'm just going to choose Beastie for my reward. And I got Yarny. And it tells me a lot about Yarny. I'm going to scroll down here, how many points he's worth, some fun facts, and then it also tells me a little description down here, as you can see. So we're going to move that out of the way. Okay. And I'm going to go back to the home, and we're done with this book. Good. So that is what a book looks like, folks. Every book is going to look different. Some read to you, some do not. Depends on the age level, depends on which book you choose. You just want to figure out what's going to work best for your student learner, okay? So now I'm going to sign off because you're tired of hearing about me. You're tired of hearing from me, but hopefully you understand how to use this. It's pretty self-explanatory. So when I want to be done, I'm not just going to X out because nothing will be saved that way. That's not true. It will be saved, but it's just not the proper way. So I'm going to go over here to the hand that's waving. Get it on screen. Bye. And I'm going to click bye. When I do that, it takes me right back to the home page. Now I can continue and I can go to the library again, or I can do some fast phonics down here, or I can go into reading eggs if Reading Express was too tough for me. But it wasn't. It worked well. So I'm going to continue logging out. So I go to the door and I say, sayonara. And I am now logged out. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. And if you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me here at the school or by email.